Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a challenge inspired by Pink Renee. I'll have her, well, you can see her in the title actually. It's called Double Take, and you take two dolls that are the same and dress them as twins or whatever you want to do. I chose two of my 24-inch Amaya Raines, and I love these dresses. They were a gift from Donna's Creative Design, and I just think they look so cute in those. My one Amaya's hair was cut all even, and the one side curl kind of is falling out. So I'm going to have to work on that a little bit, but I cut her hair, her perfectly good hair, but doesn't she look amazing? I love these dolls, these 24-inch Amaya Raine dolls. They have articulation, unbelievable articulation. I mean, they bend and they can touch they can touch about everything. Look at that leg. There aren't, these are hard to find on the, still in the box. I do have one. When I bought my first two, I took one out of the box and left one in. Oh, sweetheart, your shoe. Darren makes these shoe soles, and then I make them shoes with it. And I really like that for these bigger dolls, he's using flexible, it's coming off. That's me, not the sole. Shoot. I painted her toenails and her fingernails. You can buy these dolls used. If you watch at garage sales or you go on eBay or Mercari or any of those channels, you'll find these dolls. They are so fun. They can wear some of the 18-inch doll clothes, and with a little tweaking, you can use those patterns. She will actually stand by herself, but Darren makes these stands. I absolutely love it. But yeah, I love these dolls. They're 1/3 size. They are 24 inches tall and just really fun dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you to Renee from Inspired by Pink for this challenge. Please go see all of the double takes today. And if you have a double take challenge video, let me know in the description, in the comments, so that I can come see your video and your double take too.